Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to use templates folder in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. So let me go to File Explorer. So here you can see the templates directory. So what is the use of templates directory? So templates directory is used for commonly used document types. So if you often create documents based on the same content, you might benefit from using file templates. A file template can be a document of any type with the formatting or content you would like to reuse. So here in this example I am going to show you how to create Java template file. So reusable code here. So here I am creating one class. So with public static void main string argument. So this public static void main string arguments I am repeatedly going to use for different classes. So I don't want to type repeatedly. So I am saving this file inside the templates directory. So the name of the file is java template.txt file. Now come outside the templates directory. So here I am going to create one new document. So here you can see that java template.txt is appearing. So rename the document. Now I am renaming the document to demo.java. That's it. So the same content will be there. Just I am renaming the file and class name. That's it. Now you can type the additional content whatever you want. Okay. So public static void main repeatedly I don't want to type. So I have said that content in java template.txt. For next example, another I am showing how to create HTML template. So in HTML, some beginning tags, HTML body tags will be appearing repeatedly. So I am going to avoid that typing of repeated content. Okay. So I am going to reuse this HTML and body tags. So what I am doing, I am saving this in one file under templates directory. So make sure that you have saved this under templates directory. Okay. So HTML template.txt. Now right click, come outside the right click new document. You can see that HTML template is appearing. Yes. So now I am renaming to HTML file. So I am renaming that template document to HTML file. Now I am going to open with the text editor. Let me open with the text editor. Yes, you can see that reusable content is there. So just type the content whatever I want to add newly. That's it. So this templates directory will be used for developers who does not use IDE. Who does not use IDE? This templates directory will be useful for reusable content.